Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Olympiad's Math Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you very interesting number theory questions. Okay, you can see that what is the questions? What is the sum of all positive integers n such that n square plus n plus 34 is a perfect square? You know the perfect square means what? If some number is a perfect square means you have to write something power square, right? You can see for example 64, you can see 64, 8 square we can write. The same way, suppose I am taking n square plus n plus 34, you can take, let us take n plus k whole square I am taking. So I am taking like this because it's 2-degree polynomials. You can write the product of linear factors, right? N plus k is the linear, right? You can multiply once again, you will get this one. We need to find n in terms of k, right? So let's check here. You can expand this n square plus n plus 34 is equal to n square plus k square plus 2 times n into k, right? N square cancel. You can send everything one side. N plus 34 minus k square minus 2 times nk is equal to 0. You can see, student, the first and last term you can see which is common. N if you take common 1 minus 2k plus 34 minus k square is equal to 0. So n into 1 minus 2k is equal to, you can send to the right side, k square minus 34, right? So therefore n is equal to what? K square minus 34 by 1 minus 2k. So you can take numerator also, you can take minus, and denominator also take minus out. So you can write n is equal to what? Minus if you take 34 minus k square whole divided by, if you take here minus, if you take 2k minus 1, right? 2k minus 1. So minus 2k is a plus 1. Yes, correct. It will be cancelled. So n is equal to 84 minus k square divided by, so 2k minus 1. This is your n. So we need n is positive integers. It completely depends on the k value. So how to choose the k value here? Suppose if you take k is more than 5, you can see k is more than 5 if you take. If k is more than 5, so the n will be negative. You can see here. Let's take k is equal to 6. You can check. N is equal to 34 minus 6 square is 36, right? Divided by 2 into 6 here is what? 2 into 6, 12. 12 minus 1 is 11, right? Okay, so this will be minus 2 by 11. So it is less than 0, right? If I take 7 also, here is 7 square is 49, here is so 34. Definitely the second term is dominating, right? So therefore the ratio is here is what? Negative. Understood? We need only the positive integers. So you have to remove all the cases if there is a k greater than 5. So therefore you can take k is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you can take. Understood? Let us substitute it here one by one. Let's take another page. What is n? N is equal to 34 minus k square. 34 minus k square divided by, what is there? 2k minus 1, right? 2k minus 1. Suppose k is equal to 1, you can substitute. What will get? 34 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, it is 1, that is 33. Let's take k is equal to 2, you can substitute. 34 minus 2 square is what? 2 square is 4 divided by 2 into 2, it is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 34 minus 4 is 30. 30 divided by 3 here is 10. Suppose k is equal to 3, you can substitute. N is equal to, let's substitute it 3. 34 minus 3 square is 9 divided by, okay, so divided by, so 2 into 3 is 6 minus 1 is 5. So 34 minus 9 is what? So you can see 25. 25 plus 5 here is 30, 34. Yes, 25 by 5. So this is how many times? 5 times, right? Yes, good. I think all of you understood, right? So next you can take k is equal to 4 you can take. So n is equal to what you'll get? K is equal to 4 means 34 minus 4 square is 16 divided by, so 2 into 4 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7. So here is what 34 minus 16 is what? So 18, right? 18 by 7. This is not possible, right? So 20, so 30, 34, yes, correct. So n is, ratio here is what? It's a fraction, it is not an integer, so therefore it's not possible. So okay, k is equal to 5, you can check quickly. N is equal to 34 minus 5 square is 25 whole divided by 2 into 5 is 10, 10 minus 1 here is 9. So 25, so this is 5, it is 4, it is 9, right? 9 divided by 9, clear? This is 1, right? So we got this, all the n values, right? What are the n value here? So 33, you can see the first case, we got it 33, then second is what? We had to add all the sums, right? So 10 plus 5 plus 1, understood? So k is equal to 4 is not possible, understood? There are 4 cases only possible, therefore n is equal to, so 33 plus 15, this is 16, so the answer will be 49. This is your sum, understood? 30, 40, 49 is your answer. I hope all of you understood. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel so you can learn lot of techniques to solve Olympiad problems like Ioqm level questions. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Thank you everyone. Thank you.